Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So we're back with one more true wireless earphone video, and this time we have with us the Noise Earbuds Pro 2. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll tell you how they perform. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the picture of the earphones and the model name Earbuds Pro 2, and they are the truly wireless earphones. At the back we can see the color and it's a snow white variant, and apart from that, these earphones are available in the charcoal black variant. About the features, we get the hybrid ANC, 1 key reset, transparency mode, Bluetooth 5.2 support, 25 hours of battery backup, and the triple mic setup for the voice calls. The MRP on the box is Rs 7,999. However, the launch price is just Rs 2,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the welcome card, and here we have the warranty information. And then we have a quick start guide for pairing and how to reset these earphones. After that we have the charging case, and you have the earbuds inside the case. And guys, this time the case is smaller in size as compared to the previous Earbuds Pro version. Still, the build quality seems pretty decent. We will look at the earphones and charging case in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, and then we get these noise stickers, and apart from that you get 2 pairs of extra ear tips of large and small size, and then we get this Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Noise Earbuds Pro 2 is the second generation in the Earbud series. Looking at the design and build quality, I find the design very good. The case is compact and you can easily carry it around in your pocket. The build quality is also very good, and you have this matte finish on the case with the glossy accent line all around the case. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the noise branding, and here you have a status LED light in the front, and at this side we have a Type-C charging port. Looking at the back, we can see the battery capacity of the case is 350 mAh, which can give you a total battery backup of up to 25 hours. In terms of the door and hinge quality, first of all, you won't be able to open the door with one hand, and also even though the hinge quality is very good, the door quality is not that good. So here we have our earbuds. We get the in-ear style earbuds, and they are magnetically attached in the case. And guys, like the case, we have this matte finish on the earbuds, and also the quality seems very good. Talking about some technical details, you get triple mic setup in these earbuds for better voice clarity. And also, you get the hybrid ANC support in these earphones, which can cancel the background noises up to 40 decibels, which is an upgrade from the previous Earbuds Pro. The driver size in these earbuds is 10mm, and also you get the Bluetooth 5.2 support and the capacitive touch for the controls, and these earbuds are IPX5 water resistant. So overall the Earbuds Pro 2 offers good design and build quality. And here I can see we have one thing which is now missing in these earphones, and that is the HyperSync technology, which was present in the previous version. Now let's pair the earphones with our phone and we will see how they perform. So as you don't have the HyperSync in these earphones, you need to take the earbuds out of the case, and that's it, they're ready to pair. So we have paired the earbuds with our phone, and about the codec, you get the HD AAC codec support in these earphones. Now before we talk about the sound quality, let me show you different touch controls. So a single tap on the right earbud will increase the volume, and a single tap on the left earbud will decrease the volume. Double press on the right earbud will pause and play music. To go to the next song, long press on the right earbud, and to go back to the previous song, long press on the left earbud. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple tapping on the left earbud. And about the ANC features, so you have 3 modes: normal, ANC, and the transparency mode, which you can switch between by just triple tapping on the right earbud. There is also a gaming mode in these earphones, which you can enable by double tapping on the left earbud. Now talking about the performance, first of all guys, I find the fit of these earbuds very good, and you get proper snug fit. In terms of the performance, you get a very good bass from these earphones, and yes, it's punchy and boomy. The highs are also very good, and the instrument separation is also decent. They are loud, and even at 100% volume, there is no distortion in the sound. But guys, due to the punchy bass, the vocals are getting muffled up sometimes. But again, overall sound output is very good for both movies and music. And now about the ANC. The ANC Performance is one of the best I have tested in this price segment. And these earphones does cancel the background noises very well, which is an improvement from the previous version. And also, now you have a dedicated gaming mode in these earphones, and the latency is indeed less in these earphones, and it's somewhere around 100 milliseconds, which is not that bad. And lastly about the mic performance, as you have a triple mic setup in these earphones, the mic clarity is very good for both voice and video calls. So overall the Noise Earbuds Pro 2 is a good upgrade. You're getting better sound quality and the ANC is better and improved. The battery backup is good and the fast charge is also an advantage, which will give you 120 minutes of usage time in just 10 minutes of charge. The mic performance in these earbuds is also very good. So in short, if you prefer punchy and boomy bass output and looking for budget earphones with the ANC support, then these newly launched earphones from Noise is a very good option. And I must say that right now at the launch price of Rs 2,999, they are definitely value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Airbuds Pro 2 earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.